everybody, today this is going to be the 6th Grossery Gang video. And first we have rancid raisin toast, and he's burnt. See that?
Yeah.
A little slime. My brother really likes this guy. I like his mouth. That's kind of weird. Actually, it is. And this is the leaky juice. I think I just going to double check. Yeah, leaky juice. Yeah, the top slimy coming out. Is he drooling or something, or is that just regular slime on it?
Regular slime, probably.
And look at his mouth. Dun, dun,
Going
dun.
cheese.
That guy's cool. And he's an ultra raider. I love this guy. He is a ginormous. Compare the size. Wait. It's not very working very well. That guy's ginormous. He's an ultra raider. His name is Squished Potato. I think I usually get the smashed potato. He's fuzzy. He's an ultra rare and serious one. Big guys. He's chubby.
Chubby cheeks.
And le crusty croissant when I wear. Hola amigos. I feel like I've seen you before. I think.
No.
I really think I showed this guy in a different video.
Maybe.
There's a hat. Le crusty croissant. I must go away now. And here's the color change. This is the moldy meatball, which came raw. Oh God!
He hit the wheel of the truck.
Oh, I hit the light. Oh gosh, he's under. Beep bop boop. Okay, it's really cool. He has red splatter. Red splatter. A crazy mouth.
Crazy.
And next is the puking pancake mix. He's really puking. Look at his tongue. Spin the cap off. Want some puke with your pancakes? It's made of pukey pancake mix. And this is the disgusting mustard.
Don't break him.
I won't. Look at his tongue. Stretch. Slime all over. Down there, up top. I look at his tongue sticking out. That was really cool. And the horrible hot dog. He's like drooling slime or something. Oh. Put the mustard on the hot dog. It goes perfect with hot dogs. He's really weird.
Really weird.
Yeah, and here is a pukey cookie. Cookie. Chocolate chip cookies, the color change. Looks like a mouse, but it's really bad. It looks like Pac-Man.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. They couldn't think of the word.
Like that. Bing, bong, bing. And flat fizz. I'm flat. I got run over by a car. Now I'm flat. He has slime right there. And all around. 2 big eyes. And we have another Buzz Energy drink. We show this guy in the other color in a few other videos, I think. And top. Go deeper and deeper into its eyes. Look into my eyes. Okay.
So guys, we will show you some more on the next
video. Please give this video a big thumbs up.
And start collecting grocery gangs. Bye!